Hey Math 8, today we are going to finish up with arcs and sectors. Yesterday we talked about arcs and arc lengths. Today we are going to be working on sectors and their areas. Alright, so we will just go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so today we are looking, like I said, at area of sectors. Okay, so the formula for the area of a sector, again, it's written over here. I'm going to rewrite it again, just like I did yesterday. Okay, so we have area of a sector that is going to equal the same thing that we had yesterday. So we've got m over 360. All right, this time instead of finding arc length though, which is directly related to our circumference, we're going to be finding area of a sector, which is directly related to the area of the entire circle. So instead of using circumference, we're just going to use the area. All right, now instead of just putting A for area, I am going to go ahead and put our area formula, which you may remember is pi times the radius squared. All right, and that is going to be our formula for finding the area of a sector. Just as a reminder, M still stands, don't know what that is, M still stands for angle measure. Okay, so that's nothing new. And then R is still our radius. Okay, and the rest is stuff we've seen before, and we already have filled in for us, so we don't have to worry about it too much. All right, so that's our formula for the area of a sector. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move into this example 2 with the, I guess, B right here. All right, actually, sorry, we're going to do this one first. All right, now the steps are right here, just like I said yesterday. And I think we're just going to keep these steps that they've got here because I like the way that those are written today. So it's really not a big difference in how I would write it. So I'm just going to let you go off of those, and that's what I'm going to go off of as well. All right, so I'm going to use this circle again, just like I did yesterday. But now we're going to find the area of the highlighted portion of this circle. All right, so instead of using this formula for arc length, I'm going to use our new formula for sector area, which again we said was m over 360 times pi r squared. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, step 1, as we have right down here, calculate the area of the circle. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to find what pi r squared is. All right, so area equals pi r squared. And then I just need to plug in 6 for our radius here. So we have A equals pi times 6 squared. That's going to give us area equals pi times 36, which if we type into our calculator is about 113.04. Quick note, I did type in 3.14 for pi. That is perfectly fine if you do that in this chapter, and that's even what our grading key is going to be set up as on the test. So if you use 3.14 instead of hitting the pi button on your calculator, that's not a problem for this class. I think I said that last time or in the last video, but just as a reminder, I wanted to let you guys know that. All right, so we've got area equals 0.04. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to plug it in right up here. Okay, so now I'm going to have m over 360 times 113.04. Okay, once again, I'm going to plug in for m my angle measure, which is 90. All right, then I'm going to do that quick math. 90 divided by 360 I know is 1/4 or 0.25. I'm going to leave it as 1/4. And then I can type in, actually, I take that back. I'm going to leave it as 0.25 because that's going to be easier for you guys to work with in your calculator. Okay, so now you can just type in 0.25 times 113.04. And then I'm going to check real quick what that's going to give us. That'll give us 28.26. All right. So the sector area is going to be 28.26, and that'll be units squared, guys. Just like our standard area is square units, our sector area will also be in units squared. All right. So finish copying this down if you need to. Double check your notes. After that, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and do this got it problem B, which I've already got circled for you. All right. And then after you've done that, that is going to be it for this video lesson already. So we are under 6 minutes today, which is awesome for you guys. You get a little more time to work on other things. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in class.